Hello viewers, welcome back. Today another video. $1 payment received. Flap to earn apps. Okay, first time apps open, apps link video description. Check my video description and join my Telegram channel. New all updates share Telegram. How it work? Apps open, first time showing this interaction. Okay, 5,000 coins exchange, $1 free. First time click on the wallet option. Sign up your account. Link account. Type your valid Gmail address and click this submit option. Verify. Okay, open your Gmail account. 3217. Okay, type now 3217 and click on the submit button. Okay, your account login successfully. Check your login code. Okay, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel. Click on the play games. Okay, very amazing, very hard. Okay, try again now. Unlimited playing and unlimited coins earning. Okay, my total earning 20 coins. Okay, click on the gift box. 30 seconds just waiting now. Gift box available. Okay, then I am click on the wallet option and click on the payment option. Okay, set up your payment method, wallet address, your PayPal payment, your PayPal Gmail and USDT address, BTC address and player prefer ID. Okay, set up now. Then I am back again now. Payment withdrawal. Okay, and click now invitation option. Okay, invite now and unlimited earning process. Okay, one friend invite 250 coins earning. One friend invite. This earning apps 100% trusted, 100% legit. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. New update share. Okay, and join my Telegram channel. Then I will click on the withdrawal option. Okay, I am click withdrawal option. Then PayPal. Only $1 PayPal cash and $5 Free Fire, Diamond and USDT. Okay, and your Bitcoin. I am not set up my wallet address. Then I am back homepage. Okay, tax history, daily tax, weekly and others. Okay, 19 May tax details share. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel.